When a lot of people think of Japan, they think of mountains and beautiful scenery, temples, and shrines. I think of car culture, the things we grew up looking at in magazines. The fast cars, the slow cars, the drift cars. These are his original cars. Yeah, this is the original one he took in the 70s or the 80s. Join me while I travel Japan and expose car culture, both old and new. Because he likes US culture, right? Yeah. That's cool. Yes.
We are a very small company.
Gosh. In this series, you'll see some old faces, some new faces, and some cars you won't even believe it exist. Hey, welcome to another episode of JDM Overload. Today we're at Coutner, Japan, which is probably the BMW specialist in Japan you've never heard of. So Coutner is actually the same company as Stable Cars in Kyoto. We traveled over there thanks to some information from the Rocket Bunny guys, and we were thoroughly pleased to see some, one-off body kits, some full production body kits, but all the body kits and body panels you're going to see in this video are laser scanned off the car's body. They are developed in-house, and then some of them are even made in-house. So there were some pretty cool low mileage S2000s here in pristine condition, like straight off the factory floor. I mean, this thing was beautiful, and with the price of S2000s nowadays, I could only imagine how much this would go for. I know at the time they were offering it for 45,000 US dollars, which is, seems wild, but when you consider how much even high mileage ones are going for in the US right now, that's not that wild. So this wide body M6 was sitting in the showroom, and this body kit was developed in-house. It's pretty sick. It had a black exterior, like a deep black exterior. It had been cleaned up very well. It had a nice brown peanut butter interior. Overall, this thing was just sick, and they're actually developing another one. It's cool. It's beautiful. And they make carbon fiber versions of it. This car and this car, right? Yeah. Beautiful. So I'll admit I've never been a fan of the G82 M4 front grills. They look very much like a Trans Am, but this one was so sick with the body panels that they've put on it. Like So I'll put the link for Coutner Japan in the description of the video, especially if you're interested in this body kit, because this thing is sick. I've never seen a wide body kit on an older M6 like this. Some people don't really care for the rivet design. I think it works on some platforms, in particular this one. So this is that peanut butter interior I was talking about earlier. It's just so well put together in this car. It's so classic. It fits the overall style. Look at that intake. Are they ITBs? Yeah. Yeah. Wow. So this M3 had ITBs underneath this intake plenum cover. It was pretty sick to see. So this E24, the fenders are obviously cut out, but it actually has their wide body kit on it now. It's up on their website. It's pretty sick. They ended up putting a set of gold dished wheels on the car, and just go check it out. You'll love this thing. What are you doing to it? Rebuilding it? Which one are you gonna put in? That one? Oh. Howdy, Coutner. Oh yeah, for sure. Usually they're all rusted out. I like how the front is a whole fender, it's not like bolted on. But I like how people are molding it now. Yeah. Smells like gear oil. States, these are very expensive right now. Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. So
I saw it online, photos of it online.
So you know Mirasan then, I'm guessing. TRA Kyoto. Yeah. You're friends with them, right? Yeah.
She's my good friend.
Yeah, good. I was telling him like a lot of people are losing passion for Japanese cars, building them and making them nice. And so we started filming, basically trying to inspire people again to get away from K cars and small economical cars.
Last time,
Yeah. 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 Ignition made a model of your car. Where is that car?
You sold it?
this is now
New Zealand.
Oh, New Zealand.
Did someone buy it? Yeah.
Really like this guy.
Yes, us too. We've seen this car on the internet.
Oh,
Yes, we know this car. So it's famous in its own way. That and all the older JDM cars, the pinks and purples, they were real popular. Yeah. So it was very difficult to stop looking at this wide body M6. It seemed like we just kept getting drawn to it and all of its beauty. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you again. Beautiful. I love all of these cars. That's cool. That's fantastic. Yeah, we'll give you a shout out online and show you off. This is truly great to see people still making stuff.